Nature's Miracles. Once There Was a Raindrop by Judith Anderson and Mike Gordon. It's raining. Rain is made up of lots of tiny drops of water. My teacher says each drop is part of the water cycle. What's the water cycle? Let's find out. When a raindrop falls to the ground, it sinks into the earth and makes it wet and muddy, or it stays on the surface and forms puddles. This water flows into drains and streams, or it drips underground. Wow! The drains and streams flow into lakes and oceans. But that is not the end of the story. The sun warms the surface of the ocean. The warmer water turns into the water vapor, which raises into the air. This is called evaporation. You can't see water vapor, but it is all around us in the air. This is how our wet clothes get dry, and that is where the water in a bird bath has gone. The water vapor raises high into the sky. As it gets higher, it cools down. The cool air turns the water vapor back into tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets from clouds. The same thing happens to the water vapor in your bed on a cold day. The droplets of water in the clouds get bigger and heavier. When they become too heavy to stay in the clouds, they fall as rain. If the air is really cold, the droplets freeze and fall as snowflakes or hailstones. Sometimes too much rain falls. Sometimes not enough rain falls. And sometimes the rainfall is just right. Every drop of water on our planet is recycled over and over again. That is why it's called the water cycle.